Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. How to solve this math problem 3 power 3 plus 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 7. Here we can write 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 plus 2 plus 3 to the power 3 plus 4. Next we can write 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 4. Applying the rule a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. Here we can take common 3 to the power 3, so we can write on this divided by this is equal to 3 to the power 2 plus this divided by this is equal to 3 to the power 4. Next 3 to the power 3 is equal to 27 bracket 1 plus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. Next 27 bracket 9 plus 1 plus 81 is equal to 91. Next 27 bracket 91 is same as 100 minus 9. Next 27 times 100 is equal to 2700 minus 27 times 9 is equal to 243. Next 2, 4, 5, 7 is the right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.